dear students, JC English High School, Vijaypura, Karnataka, and I am your English faculty, Shashwati Chaudhary, 9th group. Be appropriate about your health care and be very perfect about your education. Obviously, English learning procedure, all the previous notes and all, keep on reading. Keep on reading with writing task. Revise continuously. Keep on reading the textbook, materials. Time to time attachment I have given you. Question answers and all. All these things are very important for learning procedure. Please do it sitting at home. Don't waste your energy and time for other rough and tough any activities. Better do some good activities, internet oriented good educational work which will help you. Class 9, please come in the school with your parents, meet the faculties, check your homework properly. That's important. Help your management with true heart. 3 questions, Unit 2 Prose. Board work, please follow. See, Unit 2, today's date, 2nd November 2020. Reading comprehension. So when we are reading the story, I have already read the story explained, but today I will do that one you have to do at your home. Whenever you are reading, a pencil will be in your hand and important quotes you will underline in the textbook with the pencil. Keep on reading. Any lesson, prose or poetry in English literature, and a pencil will be in your hand for marking the important quotes so that during the time of examination you will be not in any confusion regarding any sort of question. Full mind map will be well set up with your lesson. That's important. So dear students, 9th group, get ready. Open your English textbook, page 31, 3 questions by Kant Lev Tolstoy. So reading comprehension, you will read and you see page 31, reading started, page 32, immediately check your comprehension, share your responses, means to comprehend you, to make you understand. You will read this much, immediately question answers. You will read this much, immediately. It is comprehensive reading style. Without comprehension, you will never develop your understanding skills in English language. That's why to comprehend your syllabus excellently drafted in this way, designed syllabus. You have to read sincerely and you have to think about the matter. Now, whenever reading comprehension, you will keep on reading, you will underline the important lines, quotes, etc., etc. You think about the matter completely, then you will see any type of MCQs or any type of other type of questions and all, you will be able to give the answer fluently and the correct answer you can reproduce. Next point, sharing views. What is sharing views? Whenever you are understanding the story, automatically share your views. You also try to create this type of some stories. Tell it to your parents, share with your friends, relatives, your neighbors, your very close friend, or your youngest brothers, sisters, or your elders. Whenever chatting at home, with your mother, with your father, grandmother, grandfather, share your moment in a lovely consequence. Make a good atmosphere and then you can share. You know, this is a very good story. I also create one story in this way. Let me tell you the story with your classroom mates or with your other good fellows. You can share. So sharing views is very important. With your interaction approach, through your mother tongue, translate to English. Through your mother tongue, translate to English. Automatically after 6-month orientation, you will see direct through English language you can compose anything. without taking help of your mother tongue. That time without mother tongue, fluent English culture you can able to produce. That's important in English learning. So please do it. Ninth group. Next one. These are all your activities. These are called reading activities, vocabularies. You have to stop the words. You have to speak fluent English in this way. So your comprehension is important to make you understand. Your understanding skill, automatically speaking skills, afterwards it will come out. Next point to note down. Narrating story. You always narrate the story with your youngers, with your elders, with your friends, with your relatives, with your neighbors. Hi, this is I am this, my name is this. You make with a smartphone, with the video. Give it in YouTube. You know, I learned from my English ma'am this is story and I compose one story. Do you know this thing? This is the story. I have given one title to this story. Let me tell you the story. So you narrate the story. Make it recording, videos, and then send it to YouTube. You will see, you will feel warm. So many greetings will come, so many comments will come, and you will be proud that yes, I'm doing some good activities. In this way, through activities, learning should be developed. These all things sitting at home you have to do. Don't think that online teaching means it is not classroom teaching. No, it is more than classroom teaching. All the individual tasks, group tasks, I want it that you are doing in a lovely manner with a sharing, caring attitude. So, think about the matter. You are reading comprehension, any story, anything else. 3 questions, you read the story. Come to the point. Think about what? Start your thinking skill. The best time to do something. What is my best time to do something? Hermit told in this way. King thought in this way. Well, what is my best time to do something? How could I manage myself? What's the best time? The best time to do something for me, for you. You will find out your best time to do something. That is also your activity. Second point, the most important person in your life. Mama, dad, daddy, grandma, nanny, grandpa, dadaji. Who? Brother, sister, friend, relative, neighbor. Find out. Think. Continuously. Brainstorm will be there, and that is called your learning procedure. You have to do it. Come to the next point now. 3 questions. You have read the story. I am reading few lines. You will also read the story in this way. What is the right time? Page 31. What's the right time to begin something? Who should a king listen to? What is the most important thing for a king to do? The king therefore sent messengers to find out the answer. Turn over, page 32, textbook English, page 32. See, page 32, top. Yet others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. Then what happened? These things could not wait for the decision of the council. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future. Follow your textbook, page 32. And only magicians could do that. The king therefore would have to go to magicians. My goodness. Next. As the answers to his questions were so different, the king was not satisfied. Then what happened? He decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. Now paragraph 3, page 32, king put on ordinary clothes and started for hermit. Paragraph 4, page 33. Para 4. I wise men, for answer to my questions. If you can give no answer, tell me so and I will return home. Para 5, page 33. The king and the hermit removed the man's clothing and found a large wound in his stomach. The king washed and covered it with his handkerchief, but the blood would not stop flowing. The king redressed the wound until at last the bleeding stopped. Turn over. Page 34. Para 7. You do not know me, but I know you. I am that enemy of yours who swore revenge on you because you put my brother to death and seized my property. I had made up my mind to kill you on your way home, but the day passed and you did not return, so I left my hiding place and I came upon your bodyguard, who recognized me and wounded me. I escaped from him, but I should have died if you, becoming my enemy, had not dressed my wounds. I wish to kill you and you have saved my life. Now if I live, I will serve you as your most faithful servant. Forgive me. See, page 35, para 9. So the most important time was when you were digging the pits, the hermit told. And I was the most important man. And to do me good was your most important business. So, para 9, last line. So he was the most important man and what you did for him was your most important business. 35 page number, para 10. Remember then, there is only one time that is important. At that time is now. It is the most important time because it is the only time we have any power to act. The most important business is to do that person good because we are sent into this world for that purpose. God created us to do good for this society, to do good for this country and other countries also. We are human beings. We have to show humanity everywhere. So class 9, keep on reading, make the notes, all question answers you will get in attachment. My next video lesson will be 3 questions Leo Tolstoy. This one, the grammar part you will see. In attachment I will send you also. So we will discuss grammar part in my next video lesson. Keep it ready. Thank you. God bless you.